Okay, Harry, this is a special recording for you just to show you how you can go about getting Rick into your course. You should be seeing a little picture of me in the corner and a picture of I have Chrome open and I'm logged into Blackboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down a little bit. You see, I have my courses. You probably don't see these three because of your visual issues, but right over here, I'm going to go down to, let's say, my second course because the first one, Rick is actually in already as what is he there? He's an observer. Okay, so we go into the course, and here's where we are in the main page. You probably don't see that much, but you see that we have over on this side we have the menu. Okay, but if you go all the way down on the menu, keep on going down, and you are going to have a lot of stuff to scroll through. Oftentimes, you can go to users and groups. There's this item. You click on users and groups and it's going to go up, and then you're going to click on users. Okay, now the screen is going to pop up probably like this. You might see a little corner, so you might only see what's up here in the corner. But over here, notice they have this thing that says find users to enroll. So if you want to do that to find the users to enroll, click on that and watch what happens. Well, when you click on that, now it's looking for a user name. So the one thing we should do is we're going to try, and this don't put a username in because we don't know what the username. But notice they have this button browse over here. You might have to move a little bit off the screen, or it might be below it because of the size of your screen. Click on browse and look what happens. Okay, we're going to go. You get this other screen to pop up, which tells us, search username contains. But let's try last name contains Repeti. Repeti. Okay, and we're going to press go. And it's going to go out and search, and it comes back with search results. And notice we have Rick's ex-wife, and then Rick over here. It might show up smaller, because of the size of your screen. Okay, so you go there and you click on Rick, and you notice the button turns on. I'm pointing to this. It's not going to help you, but over here, the button turns blue when you click on that little box. Okay, and now you're going to have to, I think, scroll down, and you're going to hit this. You'll see a cancel submit on the bottom, like this, where I'm trying to highlight with a mouse. You click submit. Okay, and notice you now have the number. That's Repeti's username in Blackboard. You want to bring him in as a guest. I think that's what it is. Is there an observer? No, there's no observer, so it's guest. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on this box, and you're going to find guest, because it used to say student, and enrollment availability is going to go on to yes, and you got to go to the bottom. And once you click submit here, you're going to find all of a sudden, and now you have users, and you're going to have here the names of all the guys, all the students in your class. But as you go down this list, you got to get to the R's. Notice down here, lo and behold, Rick Repeti is down here. The same thing will happen on your machine. It'll say guest, and it'll say yes, the last column is availability. So that's all it takes to give Rick access to to the course that you want him to access to the course to which you want him to have access. Okay, so there it is. And if you had problems and it went through this thing too fast, you can always start from the beginning. And by the way, you can hit the space bar if you're in this window of the video to stop and go somewhere else to learn what you need to do. Or, I'm hoping you can move from window to window now, but that might not be, I don't know if you're there yet in terms of your computer skills. but this is what it'll take. So, and you can stop. In addition to which, you can actually go back in the video when you're watching my video that I'm just making here. If you use the cursor keys, if you go on the back cursor, it'll take you, because I'm going to put this up on YouTube. It'll take you back to 5 minutes. Did I say 5 minutes? 5 seconds before, I think. And if you put the cursor, in the other direction towards the right, it will give you 5 seconds after. That is the cursor on the keyboard. Okay, good luck. If you still need some help, give me a call.